Okay, well, I want to make sure that I answer all the questions, and I just want to give you guys a little background on Legal Shield. The company started 45 years ago. Our founder is no longer with us. His name was Harlan Stonecipher. He was in a car accident, and he wasn't at fault, but he got sued. Can that happen today? Anybody can get sued. So he had to go defend himself, and he did, and he won. He hired the attorney, but at that time, he had all of his savings go towards his legal defense. But he did win, but he says, no, I really didn't. So he looked into it with the attorney, and the attorney said to him, you know, there's something similar to this in Europe. You might want to look into it. So he did, and he found a plan that 80% of the population had by a company named ARAG. Some of you might have heard of it. So he brought the concept here, and that's how Legal Shield started. So I just wanted to give you a little background on that. So it's asking, one of the questions is, can you give us the different packages that are offered and the cost? Well, our really main package is our family individual plan. I have a handout that you can take if you'd like, and it talks a lot about what is covered. So it's a subscription. It's $25 a month. I don't know if I have enough. I think I do. And what it is you get legal and identity theft for both you and your family. On the legal plan, you have unlimited legal advice, letters and phone calls that can be made on your behalf if it's going to help your situation or the outcome of your situation. Contracts, they will review documents up to 15 pages. Residential loan assistance, attorney will prepare a will, living will, as well as the healthcare directive. All these important papers that 80% of the couples or individuals that I sit with, they don't have. Why? Most of the time because it's the cost and they don't want to think about it. But it's really important. Those are like your love letter to your loved ones that you leave behind. Moving traffic violations, trial defense, uncontested divorce, separation, adoption, or name change. These are available 90 days after enrollment. And then, of course, one of the big ones is the IRS audit assistance. It's really, you get a lot of value for $24.95 a month. So it's really huge. And I always ask my client, I say, would you rather pay $300-400 an hour, or would you rather pay $300 for the whole year for you, your spouse, with the legal plan, children under the age of 26 living at home, or going to college full-time? Okay? On the identity theft side, what we do is we give you experts that will help you protect your there's different ways you can protect your identity, but you can't really avoid someone taking your information because our information is already out there. So it's just a matter of time. And you know, there's been so many breaches. The big one recently, last year, I believe, was the Equifax. There's just so many, I don't even remember all of them. But you also get an up-to-date credit report with personal credit score. I guess I didn't bring my phone. On my phone, I have an app, and if you're a member, I'm sure I helped you download the app. So we have apps for both, and when you download the app, the first thing that comes up is your credit report, which is really nice, your credit score, I should say. And you also have access to get your credit report 2 times a year. Comprehensive restoration. So that's what sets us apart from any other identity theft service out there. We have licensed private investigators in-house. Is that me already? Oh, in-house that will help you restore your identity They will do whatever it takes for however long it takes to get it done. So you lock arms with them, they walk you through the process, so you can do what you want to do, and that's, you know, life, because life happens. So you want to be able to go to work, you want to be able to take care of your family, you don't have to worry. So this is just a little background, and also for the identity theft, if you're a family, it's also $24.95. But that one covers you, your spouse, and any minor children, up to 8 of them. So if you have 8 or less children, they're all covered up to the age of 18. Once they're 18, they need their own. If you're individual, no spouse, never been married, no children, or maybe you're a widow, I've had to kind of work with them on that one because maybe there's just nobody in their family, they have no kids, but they're widowed. We can do the individual plan, and it's $24.95 for the legal and $9.95 for the identity theft. I mean, both are so valuable. They're needed. What we say is, you want to worry less and live more, so you can take care of. These services have been around for so long, so we have all of our provider law firms already in place. So nobody can copy what we do, what we've done, because it'll take them years to really do it, and they won't, because it's just, we already are the leader in this industry. So one of the other things I wanted to show you that's on this form, it's called member perks. I think one of the other questions is, what is the service people can take advantage of most? Let me just explain to you our member perks. Our member perks, it says here, save big and cover the cost of your membership. On an average, a member can save over $2,300 annually on goods and services they already use. As you can see here, there's Sam's Club, you can do flowers, computers, Office Depot. I use Office Depot a lot. That's how I get my flyers. And my gosh, like, I think when I made these flyers, it was 16 something. I paid $5. Wow, that's pretty incredible, right? I mean, everything. Six Flags, Quicken Loans, everything you can think of. You can save and really pay for your membership. So sometimes they ask, well, I think she asked me, or you asked me already, do you have to have something tragic happens? No. This is all, this is a service where you can use on a daily basis. It's already part of your unlimited consultation, so you don't have to worry about getting billed. It's part of the $24.95, and this explains what's included in here. One of the other questions is, what did I do before Legal Shield? And that was banking. I was in the banking industry, and I couldn't take it anymore because of all the stuff that goes on, all the politics. So I kind of just stepped away. 2 minutes? Oh, okay. So the other thing we have is small businesses. So we have, I can show have you guys take a look. So we have small business plans, and we fit you where you need it. We don't just put you in one plan. We have 3 different plans. Small business 10 for 10 employees or less, 50 or less, and 100 or less. And they all have different prices. The first one with the 10 is $39 a month. The next one, under 50, $89 a month. And the less than 100 is $149 a month. And it includes a lot of stuff, and you can look at it. We also have what you call a rider called GoSmallBiz.com. And this is actually got started with Hall of Famer football, Fran Tarkenton. I don't know if anybody knows who he is, but he started this company and he partners with us. So he could, if you want to pass this around. And I was asked to talk a little bit about the legal plan supplement. So we have a legal plan supplement. What is that? It's $9.95 a month. You can add it to your personal plan of $24.95. What it is, it just gives you access. Like, let's say you're a notary, or maybe you have an R-bond business, or maybe you have your own side business. You can add this, and it's called a home-based supplement. Again, it's $9.95. I can pass this around. It will cover a few things on here in addition to what your family plan offers. So you guys can look at that. 2 minutes or I'm done? Oh, I'm done. Wow, maybe that's good. Okay. All righty. Thank you.